Hi friends, in today's video, we will talk about how you can transfer your NRI account branch online in just 5 minutes. This process is going to be for ICICI Bank. We are going to talk about two of the processes. One, by using mobile banking application. Second, by using internet banking. As first step, you need to log into mobile banking. And then you need to tap on services and then tap on account services. Then tap on transfer of bank account online. Here you need to select the account number for which you want to make changes. On this screen you will also be able to see what is the current branch detail or address for you. Once you are happy and confident to make changes for the relevant account, please click yes. And then on the next page, you will be able to see a couple of more options, but I am just highlighting 3 of the options you need to provide the detail for. Number 1 is state, number 2 city, and number 3 is branch. Once you are going to submit this form, on the next screen, you will see success message stating that your saving account branch has been changed from X to Y. Congratulations, your branch transfer is successfully completed. If you found this process was easy for you, please subscribe to our channel. Now we will talk about how you can perform the same action by using internet banking. Open your favorite browser and go to icicibank.com and click on login. Provide your credentials and reach to the dashboard. On the top right corner of the dashboard page, you will see customer service. Click on that and you will see service request. Click on that and you will see first option bank accounts. Here couple of links will be populated. You need to click on transfer your bank account online link. Then you need to select the account number for which you want to make the changes and then click on yes. On the next page, you need to provide the branch details and submit the form. You will get the success prompt informing you that your changes are now completed. If for some reason it doesn't reflect immediately, please wait for 24 hours. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.